do y'all see this? Let's just take a screenshot of it so y'all can show y'all hairstylist this. Yeah. Today's video is sponsored by DY Hair. They sent me this beautiful highlight wig, 130% density, 13x4. Make sure you guys use my $10 coupon code JUICY10. I didn't have to pluck this wig or bleach the knots. It was perfectly plucked. It has clips in the back. This wig was very perfect, so make sure you guys go shop. What's poppin', gang? It's your girl Juicy Money, aka the Princess, but I am back at it again with another banging YouTube video. Y'all, we have not done a video like this in a while. Y'all always see me slaying my wigs, but always in like vlogs or get ready with me. I am going to be trying to attempt to install my wig in less than 10 minutes. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe to be part of family. Just going to return and welcome back. Didn't have to do anything. This hair came pre-plucked. It's very natural. I love the color. It's 22 inches, so it comes about bra length, a little longer. Y'all, I hate that my edges come super low. It's not a tutorial, but I cut my ears and I just put them to the front, and this is a very like not good wig cap. I didn't have any wig caps. It should got to be. We're just gonna only spray the outline. I am the big man. All level, I am the I am. Hey y'all, so now I'm about to just blow dry our hair real quick. This is gonna take not too long. I just try to blow dry it to get it a little dry. You can hand dry it or you can just blow dry it, but I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Sorry, but my boyfriend had called me and I literally forgot to record me doing my makeup. I'm about to put makeup, the lace, I guess. I'm not putting too much because I always put way too much. I think this should be pretty good. Okay, just get you a pair of scissors and we're gonna cut it off. This is definitely, I mean, if you were doing like if you wanted to put your hair up, it's still not good, honestly, because I don't know, I just think it's stupid. Ooh, on my mind, it's really you. On my mind, it's really you. It's really you on my mind. So it's like a little piece right here that I don't like, so I'm about to get some alcohol, try to rub it off a little bit. It's like my hairline always comes out too like I don't know if I'm not using the right makeup color. All right, we're good. We got our wig cap on. This is how it's looking. Y'all see how it's like lighter than my skin a little bit? I hope it matches well. I don't know, I need to find me a new color because I don't know, it be looking a little off. I'm gonna get some holding spray, y'all. Just spray like kind of on my hairline a little bit. And you're gonna just put it down like however you would lay your hair, and make sure that your hair can go behind your ears. Since I got only a little bit of minutes, I'm just gonna kind of go all the way around. We're gonna hope this wig comes out right, y'all. I don't know. Whenever you put the dots on one side, you want to get something and mix it in, and you want to do this just because like it dries really quick. Y'all, I got my nails done, child. They got diamonds and everything, and they just new like regular, nothing like too much. They just regular regular. Okay, I didn't put three. I think I put only 3 layers because I was getting tired. Okay, so we're going to go right back over with some more glue. It's literally like not sticking anymore. So I got it all laid down, and as you see, it's definitely giving that scalp look. It looks really good. I'm about to take some baby hairs out. I didn't pluck this hair at all. Like, this is all pre-plucked. We're gonna get our elastic band that we hate because it hurts. We're just going to lay it down on the lace real quick.
1 hour later.
Alright, y'all, so now it's time to cut this baby in. That looks pretty good. I hate cutting off lace because I mean I don't be cutting it that good. Do it like a show me day, baby. Okay, so I know we've been stuck on edges for a while, but we gonna get over them. And I'm loving the way the lace looks. I see a lot of people just spray this on there, and like you're not supposed to really like kind of like, you know, kind of style it a little bit. Ooh, they looking cute. They looking cute. I don't know how this supposed to look, y'all. I don't know if it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I've wrapped my head, and now it's time to take it off. I feel like it's ready. It's good. I'm also be using some Nairobi foam for the curls. So let's take this off and see how everything is looking. Woo! I can still see my lace a little bit, and I don't like this, so go ahead and try to make this middle part, honey. This buzz down. Well, it's not gonna really be like a buzz. It's not gonna be a buzz down because, of course, this is curly hair. Looked it, as you can tell, like it's a little like thicker right here. I kind of fixed it where you can't really tell, and put some molding. Definitely need to make that a buzz down. The back need a buzz down. Right here need a buzz down too. A mousse top. And I don't know, like the Nairobi foam confuses me because like how is you gonna buzz down my hair and make it curly at the same time? Like I'd be confused with it. Well, I'm just put it in my hand, y'all. I don't want it to be like too wet, but damn, I think I put like way too much, so it's probably gonna be like really wet. Yeah, you from the islands. Make sure the back is good. And now I can hot comb this baby down. So it's really just the middle for me. Like middle is looking real skibbity doo. Love letter, who gon' love that? Nobody, because I said so. Ooh, this thing hot. I'm so scared of this. We survived. We got through it, and we is done. Who is Beyonce though, for real? Don't disrespect the queen. You know we don't do no Beyonce slant over here, okay? But I think she got a little bit of competition because boo. I mean, what? It's definitely giving curly. Like I already knew it was gonna be pretty. Love curly hair, and the length is, I can't really show you because I don't have pants on, but this is the length right here, and it goes down all the way. The lace, y'all did a good job. Do y'all see that? This is what the lace was rocking with. This is no plucking. I didn't do anything to this hair. Hey y'all, why I haven't said the title of this hair. It's called DY hair, and y'all, I haven't really known how to say it, but it's Dyhair77777 continuously. But I love this. Like, do y'all see this? Let's just take a screenshot of it so y'all can show y'all hairstylist this. Yeah, no plucking, no knots bleached. I didn't bleach, no knots. Part ain't really that straight, but y'all get the point, okay? It's looking so fabulous, and I love the highlights. Like, highlight all throughout the hair, really so much in the front, and it's just really cute. I'm really about to go to sleep, take a thumbnail picture. I hope we accomplish this in 10 minutes. 10 minutes and less, hopefully. Thank y'all so much, DY, for sending me this hair. I love it. I love you guys so much. Make sure you come like, subscribe to this video. Definitely turn your post notifications on so you get notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, just again.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? So early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Candy City. She blowing me kisses, 30